Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing us three sites that will be paying us the MATIC Polygon, the Tron, which is the TRX, and Dogecoin. Okay, so right now I'm going to be heading to this site. So guys, if you are new to this video, consider hitting the red subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and drop a nice comment in the comment section. So the first site we'll be talking about is the MATIC Peak. Understand? That's the site we are right now. So the link of all this site will be at the description. Okay. So right now, for you to get started with this site, you have to sign up. This is a login page. You can just click on this sign up here, and you see what you need to fill before you get started. So you just have to put your username, your email, you put a password, and you repeat the same password you put. And yeah, you'll be seeing a referral, which is optional. Okay, so you can try to put my referral code here, which I'll be dropping down in the description, or you can proceed to click a human to complete this capture. Then you click on sign up and you're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. So I'll just take this off because I have accounts with them. Okay, I'll just go to login. So right now in my login, I just put in my login details and complete this capture that I'm not a robot. I decide to select animal with pick. So I think this is it. I'll just do a quick capture here and I'll log into my account. Okay, so this site is quite easy, just for you to complete tasks and you're good to go. So as you can see my balance here, I'm having 0.004 matic. Okay, so 0.04 matic. So I will show us how to perform tasks in this site and how to proceed in earning. So for you to come here, the first thing you have to do is to verify your email. Once you do this, it will enable you to withdraw easily. Okay, and they'll be giving you 10 free spin after verifying your email. So I'll show you how to do that in this video. Okay, so for you to enable you to withdraw your money. So once you come here, you'll be seeing that we have two way you can earn from this site. You earn hourly and you earn through the basic um faucet. Okay, so like the hour faucet, hourly faucet, and the bonus faucet. That's what I mean. So right now we are is on hourly faucet. That means every single hour you come and clean free matic coins here. Okay, so all you have to do is to scroll up, keep scrolling up to this point where you see the levels. Like in the level one, which is the stone level, you'll be earning 0.005 matic every single hour. Okay, then in the level two, which is the iron level, you'll be earning 0.01 matic. In the level three, which is the bronze, level four, level five, silver, level six, gold, just like that till the last level, which is the master, where you'll be earning 3 matic every hour. Okay, so the more you proceed in this side, the more level you get. Okay, right now I'm saying the stone level. So how do I end this 0.005 matrix? I'll just go ahead to complete this capture and I'm good to go. You understand? So once I complete this capture, I'll just select the image I'm asked to select here, and once I'm done with that, I will be credited in my account. Okay, right now, so I'll just click on this claim and watch my balance. There will be an increment in my balance after clicking on this um claim. Okay, so look at what I have here so far, 0.422. So I'm going to click on this claim here, and once I click on this claim, um amount to be added to my balance. I see a success. You've got 0.005 matis. Okay, and now the time I start counting for the next 1 hour. Okay, so we have like 59 minutes to go. So as you can see my balance here, there's a top up, like there's an increment. So that's how you earn via the hour faucet. So let's go for the bonus faucet here. So I'll just go ahead to click on this bonus faucet, which is this circle here. So once I click on it, it will take me to this box. Okay, so this box is just for you to play a role. Once you click on this row here, and it will allow the box to speed. Okay, and any amount, any number the speed falling between 0.9885, you earn 0.005 matrix. But if it's fall between 9886 to 9985, that means you'll be earning 0.001 matrix. So if the number rotate and fall any of this range, that means the payout is what you'll be earning here. Okay, so this is the number range that at which it, if it falls, you earn from. Okay, and this is the payout. Any one, the number falling, that means this is where you'll be getting your reward, depending on where you are lucky to get the number. the lucky number. Okay, so right now we're going to be doing this one and you'll be seeing, but for you to do this you have to verify your email. So I just have to verify my email, so I'll show you guys how to do so. So I'll just click on this verify here. You say thank you for registering, please verify your email and get 10 free spin and double your faucet reward for a day. So I'll just click on verify right now, and when I click on verify, you see also says okay, I click it 2 times actually, so it have been verified for me. Okay, so I'll just go ahead to click on this row, because and I say please wait, out of speed, get more bonus. And okay, sorry, I've actually used my spill. Okay, so that's how it's done. Once you get your account verified, you will get free spin. You say please wait for 24. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so just make sure you get your email verified to get 10 free spin and you in and boost your earnings. So guys, that's the first site we're going to talk about right now. Okay, so the second site here is the second site we're going to be talking about here is the Tron King site. Okay, this Tron King helps you earn your Tron from this site, which is TRX. Yes, TRX. So the same process you sign up here using the first site I showed you, same process you'll be using in this one. So I just have to log in a quick. Okay, so this is all about you completing a capture and you are earning. So once you come here, you'll be seeing the faucet, the dice, the slot, the mine. So all these thing you see here is a way you can earn, you can boost your earning. Okay, so right now I've been doing this for a while, for a couple of days now, and I've earned like 0.3 um Tron from this site. Okay, so how do I do it? I'll go to this faucet. Once I click on this faucet, this faucet also have the same level with the previous one which I showed you. Okay, so you just have to go and complete a capture. You want to complete a capture, and now I'm the stone level, so I'll just click on speed. When I click on this speed, and you see additional money have been added to my balance. Okay, so that's how it works. That's really easy and very easy like that. So I've actually completed this, and the money I've added to my account. So I'll just go back and do one of these game here for you to earn. If you are good in mine, you can play your mind and your balance will increase. If you are good in dice, okay, any of these or slots dice, anyone you think you are good in, you can go ahead and play it, and you see your balance will actually increase. Okay, so right now let me just do the mine. Let me just play the mine for um not just do it once. So for you to play the mine, you just make a bet. Okay, you place amount which you want to bet. Okay, so this mine is not 100% sure. It's just like you can be lucky you win, and you can be lucky to lose. Okay, so that's it. I just want to take the risks right now. So once you place the amount, you click on bet and you put the total amount of mine you want to take, if it's 3, 2 or 1 here. Okay, so that's just how it was. I'll just go ahead to allow it in this betting amount, which it is now is in 0.001. So I'll just go here and put okay 2. Yeah, I want to go 2 times. Okay, let there be 2 mine. What it means that in the old boss, let there be only 2 mine. Okay, so that's it. But the lower the mine, the lesser the risks, and the lower the price. That's just it. Okay, but the higher the mine, the higher the risks, and the bigger the price. So that's just the simple truth. So right now, just click on bet. Okay, once I click on bet, they will take away this money I bet from my balance, and whatever I win, I'll be getting. So I'll just click on this arrow here now. Okay, I click on this arrow and I'm able to get the diamond. So that means I'm safe here. I'll go again to click another box here, and okay, I'm good. As you can see here, I'm making profit already 0.0. I can decide to click on cash out and the money will be added to my balance, or I can say go more. So once, let me just click on cash out to be at the safer side. I'll just click on cash out right now. As you can see here, I want 1.1x, 1.11x, something like that. And look at where the mine is. Assuming I go further to click here, I would have go ahead to lose everything. So that's how this mind works. Okay, we're going to decide and boost your earning. So guys, that's how to earn from this turn site. And for you to withdraw is quite easy. Click on this box here. You click on this box here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do that. You click on this box here, and once you click on this box here, as you can see here, I've linked my TRX already in this site. Okay, I'll click on this. Okay, so you see deposit and withdraw. So once you click on this withdraw here, you are going to put your TRX, put the amount you want to withdraw. But here they say the minimum withdrawal is 15 TRS, okay, which that means I now have up to 15 TRS. That means I cannot withdraw right now. So, but once you read the minimum withdrawal, you can withdraw absolutely for free, okay? You can withdraw for free, guys. So that's how this site really works. So it also has a referral program. So you earn some percentage from your referrals, okay? But it's not compulsory you refer. You can also be earning from this
The
site without
third site you're going to be talking about today is this the Doge King, okay? This is Doge King, that's the name of the site. All right. So this site help you to earn Dogecoin, okay? This site pays you in Dogecoin. Remember, the first one was MATIC, the second one was Tron, and this one is the third, the Dogecoin. So the same process, guys. The same process. All you have to do here is to go ahead and click on this spin, okay? When you click on spin, you see this the same levels here, the stone, the iron, and so on. So you just have to click on this. I'm not a robot. Verify that you're not a robot, and you click on spin and you get credited to your account. That's just it, okay? You can now decide to go further to earn more by playing dice, the slot, the mine. And I showed you how to play the mine in the previous site, okay? So I'll not be doing everything here again. So you can just decide to take the risk yourself. So you can also decide to take a survey. Once you close the survey now, you'll be taking a survey, and once you take a survey and you make it, you pass the survey, you'll be adding some Dogecoin to your balance, okay? And this is your wallet where you can go ahead to withdraw your earning. The same withdrawal minimum withdrawal here, which is 15 Dogecoin, okay? So once you hit the 15 Dogecoin, you can withdraw for free, okay? You don't need refer before you withdraw. You don't need to deposit before you withdraw. You don't need, you just keep to your task every hour and play some games here. You keep earning, okay? So this is your affiliate where you can get your referral link and get some bonuses, but the referral is optional, it's not compulsory. And this gift, okay, you can always redeem some gift code here by joining their Telegram group. So once they drop code there, you paste it here and click on redeem gift code, and you actually earn some code and some token of your coins, okay? So that's how this site really works, guys. It's very easy, simple, and straightforward, okay? The withdrawal is very sweet and sharp, all right? So guys, if you really find value this video, consider this video a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe to this channel if you've not, and drop a nice comment, guys. So we'll be stopping here for this video, and thank you so much, and see you in my next video, guys.